एक पर्टिकुलर धर्म अगर एक चीज़ बोल रहा है वो सही है, तो उस पर्टिकुलर धर्म से संबंधित जितने भी लोग हैं वो कोई भी चीज़ बोलेंगे तो सही होगा, राइट? बट अल्टीमेटली द पर्पस इज टू जस्ट गिव यू मीनिंग एंड टू एम्पावर यू।
या
और सर यहाँ पे एक और एक प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है। अभी क्या हो रहा है, देखो पुराने ज़माने में ऐसा था कि ऑल दीज रिलीजियंस वर क्रिएटेड इन डिफरेंट पॉकेट्स ऑफ द अर्थ or different areas of the earth. So for example, in the Middle East we had different religion, we had in the Roman Empire we had different religions, polytheistic. In the Israel area we had the Jewish religion that is coming up. In India we had different polytheistic religions, China different. But now, because of globalization and because of the internet economy, the world is very closely connected.
Yes.
तो अब क्या हो रहा है कि ये वाला युद्ध बहुत छिड़ रहा है कि मेरा धर्म सच्चा है, मेरे धर्म में ही सच्चाई है, बाकी सारे धर्म खराब है, वो गलत बताते हैं, गुमराह कर रहे हैं। तो लाइक व्हाट कैन वी डू फॉर दिस माइंडसेट? बिकॉज राइट नाउ लाइक यू कैन सी दैट कि आप अगर ऑनलाइन भी देखेंगे, मैं अगर एक लाइव स्ट्रीम लेता हूँ तो कमेंट्स में कॉन्स्टेंटली ये आता रहता है, लाइक हर कोई रिलीजन वाले अपने गॉड को ऊपर दिखा रहे हैं और दूसरे गॉड्स को नीचा दिखा रहे हैं। नाउ दिस इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग फ्रॉम अ ह्यूमैनिटेरियन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बिकॉज द पर्पस वॉज ऑफ रिलीजन वॉज टू यूनाइट ह्यूमैनिटी, बट नाउ इट इज़ डूइंग एग्जैक्टली द ऑपोजिट। अभी वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स क्रिएट कर रहा है। एंड लुकिंग एट इट फ्रॉम फ्यूचरिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आगे जाके ऑब्वियसली इट माइट रेगुलेट इटसेल्फ समवेयर डाउन द लाइन बिकॉज ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन प्रॉबेबली, बट अभी के लिए क्या किया जा सकता है कि ये मानसिकता थोड़ी कम हो?
See, first of all, we have to understand this is human nature. It's always going to be there. My daddy bigger than your daddy. My daddy stronger than yours. ये हमेशा रहता है. You know, this pissing contest, all that. So that is something वो हमेशा रहेगा, whether it is religious or whether it is the strength of my armed forces or whatever it is, it's always going to be there. We're always going to have this comparison and this battle for supremacy. Secondly, ये भी सच है कि not all religions are supremacist. Some religions did not start by saying कि हम better है.
Yes.
But then one section of society starts saying we are better, the other will retaliate. And now it's everybody is doing that.
Yes.
Right? So I think कि इसका कोई समाधान नहीं है, इसका कोई हल नहीं है. You cannot eradicate religion from society. It's always going to be around. And this is always going to be there. So internet ने क्या किया है? It has not made things worse. It has simply exposed society for what it is. It has not really made things worse. Society हमेशा ऐसे ही थी, लेकिन आज ये साफ साफ सामने दिखता है कि लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं. So I think that sensible people should stay out of this first of all. There's no point saying कि मेरा धर्म अच्छा है कि आपका धर्म बुरा है कि vice versa or whatever. Every religion is different. सब धर्म समान नहीं है. Some people believe that all religions are the same. No, bhai. All religions are different.
Yes, it's like saying different moralities. Every scientific theory is same.
नहीं, वही ना.
It's not possible.
Yeah, so it is completely wrong to say that all religions are the same and they all say the same things and all want good, only good.
Yes.
Some religions don't always want good for others.
Yes, exactly. So, and some religions are kind of more like a political ideology.
Yeah, so let's not go deeper into that, but there is this thing. Some religions are exclusivist, some are all inclusive, and so on. So the point is that there is no big point getting deep into these things, into these little petty fights. It's going to give nobody anything. आप कुछ अच्छा करो अपने जीवन में, आपको जो भी धार्मिक पाथ अच्छा लगता है, you follow it and don't get into fights with people. And see, the world is not full of the same people.
Yes.
You know, we talk about Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Vasudeva Kutumbakam was a cautionary tale that came out of the Jatak tales. Jatak Katha नाम का एक पूरा एक वो है.
Stories, I guess.
Stories है. It's a literary thing. उसमें एक story है about vulture and some animals and all. उसमें ये actual cautionary tale है कि the world is not one. The world is not one family. If you believe it, you're gonna get into trouble. लेकिन हमने उसका अब उल्टा उसका वो निकाला है और कह रहे हैं कि वसुदेव कुटुंबकम, the world is one. The world is not one.
Okay.
So everybody is going to be different. Everybody is going to have different outlooks, different religious outlooks, different philosophies. Don't try to mix everything together and don't get into these pointless fights. किसका धर्म अच्छा है, किसका धर्म अच्छा नहीं है. सबका धर्म अपने अपने जगह पे सही है. जिसको जो फॉलो करना है करने दो. And try to cooperate with each other despite your differences and try to make the world a better place. That's what I would say.
So यहाँ पे to continue this further, like do you think can science be that unifying factor? कि जहाँ पे अगर हर इंसान एजुकेट हो सके और वो एक रैशनल कॉज एंड इफेक्ट बेस्ड माइंडसेट क्रिएट कर सके, तो वो कुछ कॉमन यूनिवर्सल एथिक्स और मोरालिटीज़ पे बिलीव करने लगे जो कि साइंस ड्रिवन है, सो साइंटिफिक फंडामेंटल ड्रिवन है कि फॉर एग्जांपल समथिंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यार एक इंसान को अपनी लाइफ में खुश रहने के लिए, फुलफिल रहने के लिए क्या चाहिए? ओके, उसको चाहिए एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर, ऐसा माहौल, ऐसा जस्टिस सिस्टम, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. Even though that will be subjective, but still, like we could agree on certain ground, based on data, कि ये चीज़ें actual में long term में एक person के life में fulfillment create करती है. So do you believe that is possible?
See, my point is that science can tell us what are the physical conditions you need for a good life.
Yeah.
But it cannot tell you what ethics and morality you're gonna follow. So, for example, nuclear power has no ethics. You can use it for good or for bad.
Yeah.
Right. Similarly, a sharp blade can be used for cutting vegetables or something worse than that. So science doesn't have any ethics, it doesn't have any morality, it will just deal with the physical part of life. So at the end of the day, I don't think science can tell you what is the best way of living life. It will tell you what is the best way of solving problems. But you can see a good thing as a problem or a bad thing as a problem.
Yeah.
You can see another person as a problem. And how do you solve that person? Science can give you different ways of solving that.
Yeah.
But so the thing is, science cannot tell you what is the best way to live life. It can tell you what is the best way to solve problems, whether it is problems that of physical like health issues, or how to make the earth more habitable, or how to make the moon more habitable, or Mars more habitable, or how to best way of getting there. But it cannot tell you what is the best way of living life and the purpose of life. Uske liye to we will need some other way.
Right. So in my calculation, there are two branches, two ways how it could eventually manifest. Like एक तरफ तो साइंस लोगों को वो प्रिंसिपल्स दे देता है, और लाइक हम थोड़ा सा और डीप जाते हैं और कि लाइक एथिक्स और मोरालिटी को भी एक टूल की तरह देखा जाए कि वो ह्यूमन लाइफ सेटिस्फैक्शन को बढ़ाए.
Yes.
मतलब एक टूल की तरह, एंड देन क्रिएटिंग एथिक्स एंड मोरालिटी बेस्ड ऑन दैट, or creating a universal religion. So something like a religion wherein we are talking about humanity, space, faring civilization, humanity, supremacy, something like that. जो सारे universe को, so for example now let's say there are different religions, Hindus, Muslims. So Muslims are fighting with Hindus, Hindus are Muslims, right? So क्या अगर ये दोनों को बता दिया जाए कि आप दोनों तो एक ही हो, और ultimately humanity एक पूरा धर्म है, and our goal is to, like our Jannat or our heaven is something else. So that is the prosperity.
So how do you make them all believe this?
Yeah, that will require genuine efforts.
So first of all, you will have to get rid of both those religions and then replace those two with this new thing.
Yeah.
Who's going to do that?
Or something like at the right place, at the right time, all the religious leaders will have to let go of their power and come up with a new kind of an upgraded reformist ideology.
So for example, in Hinduism, religious leaders have no power. It's a completely decentralized religion. There's no power in
but still they have influential power, right?
Influence is very different from power. Very different from power.
Yeah.
Let me explain the difference between influence and power. Let's say I have 1 million followers on Twitter, and they will listen to me sometimes. That is called influence. Let's say I have 100 men, well-armed men, who will obey me instantaneously without question.
Right.
That is power.
That is power. Okay.
The huge difference between influence and power. So when it comes to religious leaders, some of them have actual power in some religions. In some religions like Hinduism, they only have some influence.
Right.
Never power.
Right.
So,
precisely.
Yeah. So in the case of Hinduism, Buddhism, etc., Jainism, there is influence but not power, and it's very decentralized.
Right.
But in the Abrahamic religions, it's very pyramidal, it's very militaristic, it's very political. There is actual power there.
Yes.
So there is a huge power asymmetry when it comes to these religions.
Right. And also, in many religions, they gain power through the text itself. Oh, hey, you have to believe in this and you have to do this.
Yeah.
So that is now again power. That's like a code of conduct which you need to follow.
Yes.
But in Hinduism, it's like more liberal. कि यार आपके ऊपर है.
Believe whatever you want.
अलग-अलग मार्ग है भगवान को पाने के लिए. धर्म मार्ग है, कर्तव्य मार्ग है, अलग-अलग.
Hinduism is way too democratic. In the same family, you will have 5 members who will all vote for different political parties. It won't happen in other religions.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that was one of the ways जो हो सकता है, and that is very hard. अगर हम soft influencing पकड़ते हैं तो उसके लिए तो ages लग जाएंगे. Ages लग जाएंगे, and this is also very utopian. कि सारे के सारे जो leaders हैं वो एक time पे power देने के लिए ready हो जाए और मांगे. So that has to be done with some kind of force. Right. Which would become controversial.
Which would become counterproductive.
To
defeat the purpose.
Yes.